Hello, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use the Bitwarden integrated authenticator. So I'm going to show you how to use it and connect it. So what you're going to do is log into your Bitwarden account. After you log in, then go to settings. After you go to settings, click on security. After you click on security, click on two-step login. After that, scroll down and then click on Authenticator app, then click on manage, then enter your master password, then click on continue. After you click on continue, after that, use your mobile phone, whether you are using Android or iPhone, download an authenticator app, whether Aegis, Too Fast or Bitwarden. You can simply just search authenticator on your app store or Google Play Store. I currently use Google Authenticator because it is the global use, but you can use other like Microsoft Authenticator, 2FAs and Bitwarden Authenticator. So after you download it, I won't be able to show you the screen record because Bitwarden doesn't allow the screen record. But what you're going to do is after installing it, just click on open. It will automatically show you a plus icon at the bottom right. Then click on that plus icon. You will see the scan option. Then click on it and then scan this QR code, and it will automatically connect your Gmail that you selected at the time with this Bitwarden account. That way you'll be able to set up your authenticator app with your Bitwarden account, and that is it. Hope this was helpful. Please kindly like and subscribe to the channel.